Hey guys, Steve Welch here, Beam Toyota. Wanted to show you guys something that a few of you guys have asked me, and the question was, how hard is it to add running boards to the new Tundra? And the answer is, it's not hard at all. So I'm going to show you actually something that you might not know. And we're going to kind of do this by getting down on the ground. So I'm going to do this. You guys have to like while I'm doing it. So, so we're going to get down here. And what I want to show you, if I can zip this around the right way, if you look underneath here, you're going to see that you have bolts that are here, and then also down the rest of the underside of the vehicle. So depending on which boards you get, what they look like, it is not hard to actually install the bolts. And I'll go ahead and I'll try to make this a little easier if I kind of do it this way, which, like I said, I'm under the car, of course, or the truck here. You can kind of take a look and you can see how down the underside looks with all the positions for the bolts, to where you can just install very quickly your running boards. So reason for that, and I'll sit right here for you, reason that's important is a lot of times people are like looking at trucks that are coming in and they're saying, well, I don't have running boards, really want running boards. We understand that sometimes you can't get exactly what you want on one when it's coming from the factory, but if you're just wanting to add running boards, there's no reason not to buy that truck and then add running boards to it later, and you can do it yourself. Extremely easy to put them up. The only time that's a different issue is when you have the automatic running boards. So obviously that one's going to be a whole lot harder to do, but when you just have static running boards, very easy to put them on. So Steve Welch, Beam Toyota, downtown Nashville. You guys have a great day. We'll talk to you soon. Definitely like, subscribe. I'm on the ground for you guys, so definitely give me a like if you want me to keep doing these kind of videos for you. Steve Welch, Beam Toyota. You guys have a great day. Talk to you later. I gotta get up now. Have fun. Talk to you later. Bye.